This is the Kenmore 6-can mini fridge. It's a countertop tiny fridge that advertises use for skincare and makeup at 40 degrees Fahrenheit cooling. It's black, it has 0.14 cubic foot capacity and supposedly holds 6 12-ounce soda cans. It's advertised for bedrooms, offices, wherever you want to have cold drinks, but yet is also advertised as a perfect chiller for makeup and skincare products. I'm not so sure about that. Another thing to note is it's not tall enough inside to handle one of the big cans of Monster, if that's your energy drink of choice. The inside measures 5 by 5 by 7.5 inches and includes this removable shelf so you can stack or organize it however you want. Unfortunately, the removable shelf is that, and that alone. It's removable, not adjustable. It does come with 2 power cords, so you have the ability to plug it into a standard home outlet or a 12-volt car charger. It has both of these types of plugs included. Now, the interesting thing is that it is 100% Freon free, so how it actually achieves the cooling is where the question mark comes in. In fact, they recommend that the snacks and cans or whatever you're putting in it is already pre-cooled before you put it in it, and that it could maintain the temperature. About what it advertises is 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I haven't tested it with a thermometer, but that seems ambitious. And lastly, it does not have an internal battery. It only runs on power that is plugged in, so you have to use one of the 2 cords mentioned earlier in this video, either the standard house plug or the 12-volt car charger. I will say it is quiet. The fan that runs is almost whisper quiet. You can hear it at night, but it's kind of like a nice lull you to sleep kind of noise. It's not loud and obnoxious, in my opinion. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or hit the bell to subscribe, or feel free to share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. Thanks again for watching.